Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. We begin with currency trading as the price of the US dollar continues to set new records. At the end of trading today, the US dollar was being sold for $132.52. Now the Canadian dollar is also trading higher at $101.30. The pound closed at $174.41, while the euro sold for $152.05 on average. Consumer prices are down for the first 5 months of this year. Data released by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, show prices fell by 0.7% over the first 5 months of the year. Statin says the decline was led by lower prices for food as agricultural production improved. Give us more money. That's the word from the president of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, Norman Grant. He's demanding that the government increase its allocation for the agricultural sector. Speaking at the launch of the Denby Agricultural Industrial Food Show earlier today, Mr. Grant argued that the current budget isn't enough to sustain the sector. So how much does he want?
We need to have at least $1 billion in the budget of the Ministry of Agriculture to support the improvement of our farm roads. We need to deal with the farm terrorists that continue to cost the sector $6 billion every year.
But that's not all. The Agricultural Society president is also contending that the fees imposed on predial culprits are too small and need to be increased.
I call on the government to ensure that we move speedily to amend the Agricultural Produce Act to increase the fines from $250,000 to $5 million when you catch a predial or a farm terrorist that steal from farmers. Let them pay for that crime.
The price of oil fell today. Oil for delivery in July went down by 13 cents to settle at $66.89 a barrel. On the stock exchange, the main JSE index lost 429 points today, while the junior index gained 31 points. Among the winners were Blue Power Group, Caribbean Cement Company, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Carreras, Siboney Group, Express Catering, Fosrich, and Honeybun. On the losing side were 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Consolidated Bakeries, Derrimon Trading Company, Elite Diagnostics, and Grace Kennedy. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.